Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to create an online course using ChatGPT step by step. So please watch the video till the end. You can take screenshot of the prompts by just pausing the video. So first of all, I'll be asking ChatGPT to give me 3 course ideas relating to Learn Dash. Okay, so I'll be making a course on how to make a website with WordPress. So I'll ask ChatGPT to give me a course outline for how to build a website with WordPress and I'll press enter and it will give me the outline. Okay, so it has given me 4 modules, but I don't want these many, so I'll ask it to make it 4 modules and I'll press enter. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to make a video script for installing WordPress on your hosting service. I'll press enter. You can take each little topic and turn it into a script. Now you can also make a video from it or audio file that can be played alongside. I hope this video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.